something that somebody else made such a big deal about, but you know, people say all kinds of things.
Yeah, no, I guess people judge with their own perspective, you know. So मुझे तो बड़ा natural लगा था.
And it was also about the clothes, के कपड़े ऐसे पहन के, but you know.
नहीं वो भी ठीक था बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
मेरी ऐसी dress करेगी मतलब है कि yeah.
She could have dressed in a different way as well, but it was the choice that it was made. The choice was made that this is what she's gonna be. क्योंकि शिब्रा से contrast भी दिखाना था बहुत ज़्यादा.
Absolutely.
और कुछ ऐसा दिखाना था कि, you know, Shamir has his type and she's not it.
Absolutely.
So, you know, either I could have been in a popularity contest and did all the things that everybody likes.
No
but उसमें फिर Marine का मुझे लगता है कि शायद Marine का नहीं आता उसमें.
You've done a good job, which is why people are hating my Marine.
Yeah, and I'm enjoying that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Bhera, what now? You just mentioned that you're going to sort of revamp and relaunch your brand of clothing. You had a very, very strong brand of clothing.
I did. Yeah. I had a strong clothing brand. And what I'm doing now is I am hoping to start out with a makeup brand.
Okay.
And also skincare.
Okay.
And later on using that brand to also introduce some clothing pieces.
Okay.
So that's kind of in the works. The makeup and the skincare is something I've been working on for the past 2.5 years.
Okay.
But like I said, like earlier when we were talking off camera, I take time when I do these kind of things because it's such a huge responsibility. When you're putting a product out in the market, it's not like clothing to phir bhi thoda sa, you know, you have that a little bit of wiggle room, margin. Ke thoda sa you can make your mistakes and learn your way through it. But with skincare and makeup, I really want to make sure that the product that I'm putting out, and I'm confident
what kind of product are you going to launch?
That I can't talk about right now.
Okay.
But what I can talk about is the fact that the idea is to, of course, make things easier for people when it comes to makeup. Because ab jo mera lifestyle as a mother and as just like a professional, having this acting career and having to play multiple roles, so I tend to gravitate towards ऐसी चीजें जो मेरे लिए एक चीज ही बहुत कुछ कर सके.
Right.
तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि उस तरह का कुछ हो.
Right.
And I've already started working, as in काम हो चुका है. It should be out hopefully in the next 6 months, inshallah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you've got a plan.
Yeah. And as far as acting is concerned, I know you were asking me earlier. Acting का बस ये है कि बस I'm just waiting for something to pull me in again. The way kind of Ishq Murshid sounded right.
Yeah.
From the beginning.
उससे पहले there was तेरे बन जाओ.
मेरे बन जाओ.
मेरे बन जाओ. मेरे बन जाओ. तेरे बन जाओ. Yeah. Also a very bold drama.
Yeah.
A very brave subject to talk about, but I just felt that it just went on for too long.
Yes.
Yeah. And again, I wasn't happy to see you again cast as somebody who was going to be the troublemaker in the house because I just feel that you can do a lot more.
Yeah. What do you think that, you know, I could do? Because here's the thing, with Mere Ban Jao, I wanted to do that role not because I looked at her as a troublemaker, लेकिन मैं इस वजह से वो रोल करना चाहती थी क्योंकि लोगों का मैंने सुना था कि उनके माइंड में मेरे बारे में ये इम्प्रेशन है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंग्लिश या अंग्रेजी टाइप हूँ, बहुत फैशनिस्टा.
वो लग रहा था जैसे कि इसका मकसद यही था.
अच्छा लग रहा था वो. Maybe it was too obvious.
वो लग रहा था कि ये मकसद यही था कि भाई मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ.
अच्छा. हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ.
ठीक है.
तो वो भी लोगों को सरप्राइजिंगली बहुत पसंद आया और याद है लोगों को वो. Not surprisingly, I mean I could see why people would like Nadra. उसका नाम ही ऐसा था. Nadra was funny, and Nadra and her, the sibling chemistry people really appreciated with Zayed and I. और वो accent जो that I had put on, it was quite. I know you guys had a lot to say about that, but
yeah. We just felt that they all had different accents. So एक घर में तीन लोगों के तीन different accent थे.
Yeah, I get that.
वो problem था.
I get that. That was a fair kind of analysis of it.
But what you're saying, sorry, I'm cutting you.
No.
What you're saying that an educated girl,
who
is also one with sensitivity and empathy and a constructive role in society. That's the character that I would envision you in. I mean, that would be a nice character for you to play if anybody ever wrote a character like that.
Yeah. Do you hear her, guys? Hello, if you're watching and if you're a director or a producer or a writer.
Or a writer, or a producer.
Yeah, I would love to. Absolutely. I've been telling my father this, and he's also been saying, he's like, Baba, you know, I think you got to write yourself. And I'm like,
Yeah.
oh man, I'm like, it seems like that's what's going to
Yeah.
need to happen.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैं यही सोच रही हूँ कि, you know, it's high time now that we do start showing. And I know it does happen. But when it happens, people again want to go for the people that have been playing the Eastern roles for
Yeah.
so many years.
Yeah.
They automatically gravitate towards
Them.
those people to then play that modern role as well. Again, to make it that relatable
Yeah.
to the masses.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm looking forward to something like that for sure.
Absolutely. Is there anything in the pipeline right now?
There's a few projects that I'm reading right now.
Okay.
And again, I'm not going to be able to take up all of them. तो
Right.
उनमें से मैं एक कुछ decide करूँगी.
हाँ.
और या तो वो जो बीच वाला एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है जिसमें आप बस पैसे थोड़े से बनाते हो और then you kind of look forward to another kind of bigger project. या तो वो होगा या तो फिर मैं wait करूँगी till another good project comes along.
Right, right.
So yeah, I'm just waiting to see.
Did you know that this one would be this big?
अब मुझे definitely ये पता था कि इसका लोग देखेंगे इसको. ये तो मुझे पता था. But this big? No. बिल्कुल भी. I did not expect this. At least not for myself, because when I read Mehreen, it didn't seem like it had that much. I just kind of did it. I was like, let's just go on set and let's see what I can bring to this. और फिर yeah, जो कुछ हुआ, I'm very, very excited and happy about it. Yeah.
And I guess we'll see you in the cinema.
The
last episode is.
Are you going?
I mean, yeah, I will be, of course, for the last episode.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I mean, it's always fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun to go to the cinema and watch a drama that you've been watching on TV.
I've never done that. Did you? Have you ever done?
Yeah. They've shown Parizad. They showed, I think, Mere Paas Tum Ho Ki Aakhri episode. So quite a few, the ones who do really well.
Yeah.
And the last episode gets.
And how does a drama look in the cinema?
Weird.
Does it look weird? Like does it seem like
it's not shot for cinema?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it's not shot for cinema, for that bigger screen. So it looks a bit weird. But that's okay.
But why do I feel like maybe Farooq Rin's frames might end up looking nice?
They might. We never know. You never know.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to see, because even like I told you before, Amna, even I don't know what's going to happen at the end.
I don't believe that.
I swear.
I
have an idea. I have an idea, but मुझे पूरा नहीं पता कि इस कैरेक्टर के साथ ये होगा, इसका वाइंड अप ये होगा. Like I was telling you, मेरा वाइंड अप मुझे कोई और एक्टर ने बताया है. मुझे पता भी नहीं था, because मैं उस टाइप की हूँ नहीं. You know, I kind of like to keep the mystery going even for myself when I'm working on a project.
So you never read it till the end?
No, but the end wasn't there. And when the end came to me, yeah, I can even actually probably read it right now. But I like keeping that mystery.
ठीक है.
मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरीन का, अगर उस जो लास्ट स्क्रिप्ट जो मैंने पढ़ी है, मुझे नहीं लग रहा था कि उसमें क्लियर होगा कि क्या हुआ. And I thought it was only till episode 29 or 30. लेकिन अब हम देख रहे हैं कि 31 तक आ रहा है, तो हो सकता है कि उन्होंने उसके बाद भी कुछ एक्सटेंड किया हो to fill in some of the pieces. So I really don't know.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Very soon.
Yeah.
We'll find out very soon.
Yeah,
but congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations for such a good drama, such a good response. I mean, it's huge. Ish Murshid right now is huge.
It is huge.
And I'm so glad that you're part of it.